Happy Sunday Fun Day. It's Chicago Hubby, and we are cooking. We're doing no bake today because it is a hot one. It's like 90 some degrees outside, and the idea of putting the oven on today just did not sound fun at all. So I have a really fun no bake recipe that I like to make. I haven't made it in quite a while, but it's so good. It's a banana lasagna, I like to call it, and it's super easy, super fun to serve at parties, and yeah, let's get going with it. So I did a couple things in advance. I made the crust in advance. Crust consists of 1.5 cups of crushed Nilla wafers, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and a pinch of salt. So you put it all together in a medium bowl, kind of mix it together nicely, then dump it into a rectangle bake pan and push it down together. It usually gives me problems. It'll be kind of broken up and stuff like when I try to serve it. So what I did was I made the crust and I froze it for like 20 minutes so it's nice and firm. So I'll put that aside for now. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and make the cream cheese filling. So it's going to be 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, softened. Hope you guys are staying cool today. All right. And 3/4 cups of sugar. Let that go until it's nice and fluffy. So while that's beating, I'll make sure to remind everyone to please check out chicagohubby.com for other recipes, pictures, cute stories that go along with the recipes. Also check out my Instagram, Chicago_hubby, and make sure on this video you guys hit thumbs up, and please subscribe to the video as well. Alright, this is going here. Looking nice and smooth. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the sides off this. And put it off here. Alright. Scrape more sides quick. Alright, looks like it's nice and fluffy to me. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. It's going to be 2 cups of heavy cream. Okay. Let me get it. And a teaspoon of my favorite Kahlua. Because why? It's Sunday Fun Day. Alright, so I'm going to beat that up. Until it's nice and smooth. Okay. Okay, while that's going, I'd like to talk about this new book that I got, Fabulous Pizza. It's a great little guide about making pizza and the different elements that go into making pizza. Definitely check out Fabulous Pizza on Instagram and follow him, get his book. It's a cool little guide. The cool little guy from London. Check him out. Alright, this is going. Looking cheesy to me, cream cheesy to me. also went ahead and pre-made the vanilla pudding. It's 1 package of instant vanilla pudding and 3/4 cup of milk. Combine it, let it sit for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to fold this. I'm going to fold this into here, into the mix. So good, guys. I'll take this off here. Get all the goodness in the bowl. We don't want to waste any of this. It's so good. All right, I'll go ahead and fold this in here. Take this off. And give it a good fold. The recipe is on my blog, chicagohubby.com. Check it out. There's also pictures on there. Make sure you guys thumbs up and follow and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. Alright, so this looks pretty folded in. Now comes the fun part. Okay, so we got that together. Go ahead and grab your crust and go ahead and put half of this or so onto the crust. This is the fun part. Kind of spread it out nice and evenly. Okay, a little more. Okay, so you've got it on here, your first layer. Now I'm going to go ahead and start alternating. I cut up 5 bananas beforehand and 48 or so wafers beforehand. Now I'm going to go ahead and make the next layer in the lasagna. So I'm just going to start putting down the wafers. Yeah, this is kind of boring to watch, I apologize, but I'm going to get through it. And the 48 is just like kind of a rough number. You can do more or less, whatever you're into. Okay, I got the first layer down. Now I'm going to do the bananas on top of it. Bananas, bananas, bananas. Again, this is on my website, www.chicagohubby.com. Okay, just about done here. Alrighty. Alright, so there we go, bananas and yellow wafers. Now we take it and we add the next layer of pudding. It's a lot of pudding. But I tell you bring this to a party after after Corona, of course. You bring this to a party, you're gonna be the hit. I promise you that. But please wait till after Corona. All right. All right. Got the second layer on. All right, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the wafers and bananas. Also, if you don't want to use Kahlua, which I always encourage Kahlua, you can substitute that with vanilla, of course. We don't judge. All right. So this is done with the next layer of wafers. Okay, now I'm going to add the last layer of bananas, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight. I mean, let's be honest, 2 hours is long enough until I want to dig into it. Overnight, I don't know about that. But whatever you're into. And then when it comes out after the 2 hours, because we all know 2 hours, you want to go ahead and crush up some more vanilla wafers, put it on top of our garnish, and put Cool Whip on top of it, and you have yourself a beautiful lasagna. I think that 5 bananas might be too many, but we can always see. Gorgeous. All right. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator and look for pictures of it on Chicago_Hubby on Instagram. You can also check me out on Facebook, Chicago Hubby, and make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, please, to the channel. And those of you that have cast iron pans and want to season them, definitely check out castironevan.com for your seasoning needs. It's a great product, and this will be the video next week. All right, guys, have a good Sunday.